Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a simple hanging decoration or wind chime that has a very lovely sound. You will need a small piece of cholla wood, driftwood, hemp cord, scissors, and glue. The first thing we're going to do is choose the side of the cholla wood with the most holes. If the holes are not completely open, carefully use a screwdriver or other pointed tool to push in some of the wood and clear the hole. Next, cut a piece of cord about 24 inches long and pass it through the cholla wood. Center the piece of cord and then tie a knot at the end of it. For the next step, you can use the cord as it is, or if you would like it to be thinner, carefully unravel it to get separate pieces. These pieces are about 12 inches long but can be longer or shorter depending on the length you want. Next, thread the cord through one of the holes and out another. Then knot it a couple of times and as close to the cholla wood as possible. Repeat the same process on just one side of the cholla wood. Place the cords close together so that the driftwood that we are going to be hanging from them is also close together. Once you have all of your cords tied, start hanging the driftwood by first applying a bit of hot glue or craft glue at one end. Wrap the cord around it and before getting to the end, tie 1 or 2 knots to secure it. Then press the excess cord into the glue. Repeat the process with the rest of the driftwood. The pieces of driftwood do not all have to be hanging at the same length. They can be in an asymmetrical pattern. Also, once you are done, if there are any empty spaces between the driftwood, you can go back and attach more cord to hang more driftwood if you wish. Lastly, cut any extra pieces of cord and let the wind chime dry completely before hanging up.